The 12 Thailand boys who captured global attention in what's dubbed one of the most dramatic rescues in history could be coming to Jamaica. According to Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett, the government will be sending an invitation to them, all expenses paid by the Jamaican government. TVJ's Kalisha Williams reports.
For weeks, 12 Thai boys and their coach, trapped in a cave 6 miles long, dominated the global cycle. After spending 18 days in the flooded cave with little food and water, the boys were rescued on July 10. All were alive. The rescue, dubbed one of the most dramatic missions in history. Countries like the United States and India all helped. Now, the Jamaican government wants to pitch in.
Tourist Board and the Ministry of Tourism, through the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, will send a diplomatic note to the people of Thailand. Firstly, to commiserate on the difficulty that the youngsters, but also to commend the work that has been done to rescue those 12 young people.
A part of that offer is an all-expense-paid vacation for the boys and their coach to Montego Bay, St. James. Well, that's if it's accepted.
And so we are also going to ask our honorary consul in Thailand, Dr. Jinjai, to, on our behalf, extend this note of invitation to those 12 young men to visit Jamaica and to have a vacation.
Mr. Bartlett made that announcement at the official welcoming ceremony of over 300 South American and German tourists to Montego Bay, St. James on Wednesday. The boys, ages 11 to 16, and their soccer coach went on a tour in the cave on June 23 after training. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.